Today we're going to talk about the top 5 best fruits to build muscle after 60. Now, as you age, especially after 60, you start losing muscle mass. It's called sarcopenia. You can actually lose up to 80 pounds of muscle after you turn 60. So this is a big problem. But luckily, there are certain nutrients that can help you maintain your muscle mass and even build more muscle. And those nutrients are found in abundance in fruits. We're going to cover the top 5 today. At the end, I'll give you 3 bonus tips. Okay, so let's go right into it. The first one is bananas. Now, bananas are a great source of potassium, which is an important mineral for maintaining muscle function and preventing cramping. This is why athletes often eat bananas before a competition or during training. Bananas also contain carbs, which are broken down into simple sugars like glucose. Glucose is the primary source of energy for your muscles. And so eating a banana can help replenish your muscle glycogen stores, which can improve recovery from exercise and enhance performance during subsequent workouts. The second fruit is berries. Specifically, I'm talking about blueberries or strawberries. They're high in antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation has been linked to muscle loss and other age-related diseases. So by eating berries, you can help combat this inflammatory process and promote muscle repair and growth. Another study found that eating a meal of high antioxidant fruits like berries after a workout can significantly increase muscle protein synthesis rates compared to eating a low antioxidant meal. And another study found that eating a high antioxidant diet, including plenty of berries, can help preserve muscle mass and strength in older adults. The third fruit is oranges. Now, oranges are a great source of vitamin C, which is an important nutrient for maintaining healthy connective tissues such as tendons and ligaments. Vitamin C also aids in the production of collagen, which is a protein that plays a crucial role in maintaining the structure and integrity of muscle tissue. Studies have shown that people with higher vitamin C levels in their blood have better muscle strength and performance than those with lower levels. The fourth fruit is avocados. Now, avocados are loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats, specifically oleic acid. These healthy fats are good for your heart, and they can help reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation, as we talked about earlier, is a big contributor to muscle loss. So by reducing inflammation, avocados can indirectly help with muscle building. And not only that, but avocados are also a good source of potassium, which, as I mentioned before, is an important mineral for maintaining proper muscle function. In fact, a study found that eating a meal of high potassium fruits and vegetables, such as avocado, can help maintain muscle mass and strength in older adults. Additionally, avocados contain magnesium, which is important for muscle contraction and hormone balance. And they contain beta-acetylsterol, which is a natural cholesterol-lowering compound that can help improve testosterone levels. So if you're looking for a delicious and nutritious way to support your muscle-building goals, avocados may be a great addition to your diet. The fifth fruit is dates. Now, dates are high in natural sugars like fructose, glucose, and sucrose. These sugars can provide a quick source of energy for your muscles, which can improve performance during exercise. They also contain magnesium, which is important for muscle function. In fact, a study found that eating a meal of high magnesium foods, including dates, can help improve muscle strength and power in older adults. So those are the top 5 fruits to build muscle after 60. Now let us go over the 3 bonus tips I promised. The first one is strength training. As you age, it's important to maintain muscle mass and strength through regular strength training exercises. This can help stimulate muscle protein synthesis and improve overall muscle health. Aim for at least 2 to 3 strength training sessions per week, targeting all major muscle groups. Second, make sure you're getting enough protein. Getting enough protein is crucial for maintaining muscle mass and strength as you age. Protein provides the amino acids necessary for muscle repair and growth. So aim for at least 0.8 grams of protein per pound of body weight per day. And the third bonus tip is to stay active. Regular physical activity can help improve circulation and promote overall muscle health. Try to get at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. So if you're looking for a delicious and nutritious way to support your muscle building goals, be sure to add these fruits to your diet to help you stay strong, healthy, and independent as you age. Remember, it's never too late to start taking care of your body. And these simple changes can make a big difference in your overall health and well-being. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.